30-day challenge is back. Day number 22 of the 30-day Shiba buying challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're at day number 32, and if I go back here for a moment, you see here in the captain spreadsheet, it is time to buy more Shiba. We have 34 million Shiba since October 8th. Let's do this right now. Okay, so that's the price that we're working with right now, and we're gonna go right in Coinbase.com of making this transaction. Now let's see here. How much should we buy today? What I'm gonna do today is we're going to buy $200 worth of Shiba. We're gonna buy $200 worth of Shiba with this, and this will be a decent amount. Over 2 million Shiba will be going right into our account here, as you see we're doing right now. And the price, it's up 17%, but here's the thing. We've been buying ever since 27-24. Are you with me? Because remember, this is about are you with me in terms of buying Shiba. So let me go back here, look at the price, and the transaction should be completed here. So now what I'm gonna do is add the numbers right in the captain spreadsheet as we normally do. So we're gonna take this amount here, copy it, paste it, boom, come down here, paste it just like this. So I'm gonna make this a little, so you guys can see this a little bit better. So we did 200, so let's see how much the fees will be. The fees is $7.67. So let's do this, $1.67. And it's gonna be very similar what it was, what we paid yesterday. Yeah, I know, right? It's very similar. So, and then we're gonna take the price of here, because Coinbase.com price does not show up here. It did before, but it hasn't been lately, but that's not gonna stop us from doing this. When you have a goal, nothing stops you from hitting your goal, unless it's an emergency. But anyway, total of 37 million Shiba, $58 in fees, or $1,400 paid in Shiba. And let's change this to 22 based off our formulas. And we have a profit of $868. Actually, that's not accurately, because we need to change this as well. The profit's going to be probably a little bit higher. Look at that, guys. Profit of $1,270. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then we're going to change the date here. And the average buying price is still looks good, even though 7368 is the highest we've had. But look, this is what all the work was done. When we started this challenge, I would say from 1 to about 25, 26 right here, this would make this really profitable, because when it's jumped up to these prices here, all this is profit. So this is everything is profit. And then look at this here. If you go check this out, once this goes to a higher price, then that will become more profitable as well. And the fees is not very much, $58.11. The fees are not very much. Our goal was to get about 50 million Shiba, to be honest with you, in 30 days. And right now we've got a nice profit, and we're almost there as well. We got about, what, 13 million to be able to hit that mark as well. And like we always do, we tweeted it out. Day number 22 of 30. Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? And we do have somebody with me. The secret man is with me tonight on a Friday, October 29th. And once again, I'm excited about this. And I'll see you tomorrow, October 30th, which will be on a Saturday. That'll be the 23rd day. And yes, thank you for liking, subscribing to the channel. Thank you for following me on this. We're doing this together. So I just want to show you how to buy, how to track, and also how to basically enjoy your profits if there's profits to be made. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you October 30th on a Saturday, and you have a good day.